Rakshit by Pranam Sakyu and hello fellow sapiens, you are watching Manjarabad Fort from the side of the video. Today we are here at the Regenta Resort in Sakleshpura. Look at the views.
This is day 2 of our Sakleshpura trip, and as soon as I step out of my room early in the morning, this is what I see. It's densely foggy and misty, and what a sight. It was heavenly. This condition continued to about 8:30 in the morning, which I never expected. There was no sign of sunlight until that time. This misty weather was so beautiful that I wanted to go out for a walk. I pinged our guys in the WhatsApp group and Sergi was awake. So myself and Sergi went strolling through the property and then outside the property gates to the nearby village. Here are some flowers spread across the gardens in the resort. They were beautifully maintained. By the way, our first day experience at Sakleshpura has already been posted on this channel, and the link to that video can be found in the description as well as in the info button above. The full details of this resort, that is Regenta Resort, along with the rooms and property walkthrough and the facilities offered have been covered in the day 1 video. We then got ready, enjoyed a sumptuous spread of breakfast at the resort, and then headed out to visit some places around. The roads were lined up with coffee plantations and areca nut plantations on both sides throughout the way. It's a beautiful drive experience through the countryside of Sakleshpura. The plan for day 2 was to visit Magajahalli Abbi Falls, Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple, and then the Manjarabad Fort. The resort folks said that the falls had no water, so we skipped that, and then we headed towards Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple. But what happened there was a different story. Road construction was going on about 1 kilometer away from Betta Bhairaveshwara Temple, so we could not proceed driving our cars as the road was blocked, and we decided not to walk uphill and skip this place too. On our way back, we enjoyed the views of beautiful plantations again on both sides of the roads, and then we had a spot where we saw different colors of bougainvillea flowers. As you can see here, the plantations were blossoming and there was a very good fragrance, but we were not sure if the fragrance was from these flowers or something else around. We then headed to the Manjarabad Fort, where we had to trek half the way up an inclined road, and then the other half had about 250 steps to climb. The link to this location can be found in the description below. The fort is located about 4 kilometers away from Sakleshpura town. Since the fort is located on a hill at an elevation of 988 meters, that is 3,241 feet, it gives a clear and commanding view of the surroundings. It is said that on a clear day, even the Arabian Sea can be seen from here. This fort is an 8-pointed star-shaped fort built in 1792 by Tipu Sultan at a time when he was establishing his sovereignty over Mysore, and he was fighting against the other South Indian dynasties and the British. The Sultan wanted to make the highway between Mangalore and Coorg secure for his expansion programs. Since he had an alliance with the French at that time, he sought the help of French engineers to build a European-styled star fort. The completed fort was inspected by Tipu Sultan, who found the fort being enveloped in fog and hence named it as Manjarabad Fort. The name Manjara is a version of Manju, meaning fog or mist in Kannada. This place is not well maintained and you can find litter everywhere around. Also, the walls have been painted and carved with names and whatnot. Appeal to be more sensible and preserve our historic wonders. I was not allowed to fly my drone here, stating that this place was of historical and archaeological importance, hence the rendered video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I request to like, share, subscribe, and as I usually say, pour down your emotions and thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. It's now time to take your leave. Mo Traveler Akshay and the team signing off. See you in the next one.